Do they ask for silver or gold, or stories of love untold? Do they wish for candles to burn bright, or hearts that glow with holy light?
Would they dream of skies so blue, or a world where love rings true?
What would God and Jesus write on their Christmas list tonight? Peace on earth, goodwill to men,
A world made whole again.
Would they ask for laughter to fill the air, for kindness to live everywhere?
Would they wish for harps to softly play, for tears of joy on Christmas Day?
Would they hope for wars to cease, or hearts to find eternal peace?
What would God and Jesus write on their Christmas list tonight?